everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Today we are going to make sweet potato noodles with pulled chicken. I boiled this ahead of time, and we're gonna use the broth of this chicken for our sauce, of course. Okay, so I have your boiled chicken, and we're gonna let it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. And that chicken will be pulled. We have a pulled chicken later, and the liquid we're gonna use it to cook later for our noodles. All right, and here is our sweet potato vermicelli. We're gonna use that one. We have garlic, we have onions, we have carrots, mushrooms, we have bell pepper, and snap peas. So let's get started. Alright, let's start sauteing our garlic here, onions. We'll put our shiitake mushrooms and then carrots in. I'll add the bell pepper. Seasoning. Black pepper, I guess. Black pepper. A little bit of soy sauce. We'll add the pulled chicken in here. And then we mix it. We'll add a little bit of the broth from the chicken. Just a little bit to cook this one. And then after that, we'll cover it. We'll let it simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll take it out and then put our broth back here and cook the noodles. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of the teriyaki sauce there. Then mix it again. Okay, I have to separate this one because the noodles has to be cooked separately. It cooks a little longer, and we don't want the vegetable to get overcooked. Okay. All right, so let's put our the broth in here. This is the chicken broth. I'm gonna let it boil first. Okay, so our broth is brought to boil, and we forgot this bok choy earlier, so I'm gonna put the bok choy here. before I will cook the noodles. Yeah, we forgot to show it in our ingredients, but bok choy is part of it. Okay, so let's take out our vegetable and then let's put the noodles in. Dip it in and then it will get softened. Then we'll cut the noodles. This is our... Okay, noodles is done. I would like to put the snap pea on top. I forgot I was supposed to cook it before the noodles, but it's okay. It will still cook. It will still cook easily. So let's just cover it and take out the pea before we add the other stuff. Okay, let's take out our snap pea. Oops. Yeah, that's why it's easier to put it in before we put the noodles, but it's okay. And now let's add our thing back here. Okay. Mix it and it should be ready for plating. Sweet potato noodle is ready to go. There we go. Alright, let's try to plate it. We will put our vegetables in here. I love this snap pea. Tastes so good. There you have it, our final sweet potato noodles with chicken, mushrooms, and vegetables in it. I hope you enjoyed our cooking today. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone! And thank you for watching.